your voice at me. I haven't done anything wrong. No, sir, you're not.
Step out into the yard.
No. David, no! I haven't done anything. Stop!
Back up!
David, stop!
Now!
I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything. David, stop!
On the 17th of June 2025, officers from the Gentry Police Department in Arkansas responded to a domestic disturbance call that quickly escalated from a simple conversation at a doorway into a physical arrest.
Gentry Police Department!
We're fine.
Nope, step out.
I'm not stepping out of my home.
Okay.
You're the one who
Lynn.
pulled me over. You're the one who keeps... I don't feel comfortable stepping out of my home.
His husband, contact made. Female's refusal to come out.
I don't have to come outside. I don't have to come outside.
Is your husband here or your boyfriend?
My fiance is here.
All right, I need y'all to step out. We got called here. Okay, so I need you to step out. Just let us deal with this, and we'll be good.
But we don't even know why you're being called. You were having an argument.
Okay, and that's why we're here. So go ahead and step out. Now.
Hang on. Give me 1 second so I can inform my fiance that...
I'm right here. All right. Okay. Come on out.
Yeah, it's him. The one that keeps harassing us.
I have never...
Oh, yes, you have. When I got pulled over at the gas station.
Okay.
Over there.
You're going to step out into your yard.
I know I'm going to step out of the yard, and you're not going to raise your voice at me. I haven't done anything wrong. No, sir, you're not.
Step out into the yard.
No! No! David! David! No! No! David, no! Please! David, no! I haven't done anything! Stop!
Back up!
David, stop! No! No! I haven't done anything! I haven't done anything! I haven't done anything! I haven't done anything!
Put your hands behind your back! Do it now!
I haven't done anything! I haven't done anything! David, no! Help me! Help me! Help me!
811, I got one female detained.
I haven't done anything! I haven't done anything other than didn't want to come outside because I knew this was going to happen. I knew you were going to fucking do this. You've been after me.
I ain't double locked.
Roll onto your side. Sit up. I'm gonna send you up, okay?
Why are you doing this to me? Why are y'all doing this? Where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? Ow! Ow!
Why are you... Can we talk without all this getting going? What's going on? We got called here that you slapped her in the face.
Nobody slapped anybody.
That's why we're here.
No, nobody. This is her. This is her. Hello?
Where's Melissa?
The cops have her detained.
Okay. Do you have her video call when she can?
Do what?
Will you have her video call when she can?
Well, she's getting in the back of the car.
Okay. Why is she getting in the back of the car?
I don't know.
Who's trying to
If you can continue, I'm just slow them down.
What is going on?
Me and Melissa got into an argument, and the girls called the cops.
Right. So, okay.
When the cops opened the door, she told them she was not coming outside, that everything was fine, that they shouldn't have been called here.
Okay. Okay. All right. Let me talk to the girls, please.
All right.
Everything else good from here.
Huh?
We all good now.
As far as I know, because I'm still trying to figure out.
Nothing happened. We got into an argument. Things got loud.
Okay.
They called the cops.
Okay. Which starts an investigation, in which we have the ability to detain people for an investigation.
You don't have to keep the keys, sir. You can hand them to me. What is his issue?
Which one?
Him.
Him?
No, the big guy.
Oh, I have no.
Why didn't he put his hands on her? She didn't do nothing to him.
She wasn't going to come out and talk to us.
She was right here outside talking to you.
Okay.
And I came up here and I said exactly my piece. And then he went to grab her and she's like, I haven't done anything wrong. Then he put his hands on her. I know the laws.
Do you?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, I'm a registered nurse, and I work with forensics patients.
Okay. Forensics and the law are different now.
Yeah.
We have every right to detain her during investigation.
Yeah.
Yep, and she has to do what we tell her to do. Whether we tell her to stand over here, stand over there, she got to do it.
Okay, but he don't have to put his hands on her manhandler.
When she says no, he does. Okay? When she don't listen, that's what happens. Yep, 100%. Like if we want to talk and I tell you we're going to stand over here and talk, you got to stand over there and talk. So what is going on?
So somebody called.
The two girls called.
Okay, so I'm going to talk to them. Can you stay with him?
That's fine with me.
Young ladies, where are you guys at?
Do what?
Can we chit chat with you? Okay. Where do you want to talk at? Where do you feel most comfortable at?
I don't know. From here, I guess.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna talk to you in here. Anybody else in the house?
No.
Okay.
There's just 2 dogs in the garage.
Okay. What's going on? So, do y'all understand what happened out there? She was mad. When there's an investigation, we say, "Hey, you need to come out here and talk to us."
Yeah,
because
I understand.
okay, I know it looks
It's just
bad.
seeing my mom get
I understand.
like that, and it get me like really emotional.
I know. Okay, so who called?
I think our dad.
Okay, your dad. I'm gonna close this. Just so I don't break it. I will run into that and break it. Okay, so what happened?
Okay, so what I've heard is I woke up, I think at like 12. They've been fighting for a hot
Yeah, the door
Okay.
slammed like 4 times
They're
straight.
slamming the door, right? They're yelling at each other.
Okay.
And I'm like, okay, so another argument, another one. They always argue, like a lot.
Okay.
Right? He always breaks something.
Okay.
Okay.
Did he hit her today?
I think so.
Okay.
She's like, hit me, and I hear a poof.
So
Like-
you heard a slap?
I could
Yes.
hear everything through my back wall. Like their bathroom's
can go-
connected to like I can hear.
Go look in their room. Like there's something probably broken in there. Like,
Okay. Okay. So she said, "Hit me," and then you heard. Can you tell me what it sounded like?
Like
Skin on skin, or like a loud thud?
Like it was, I don't know. From here and there,
Mm-hmm.
it sounded like a slap.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay. And let me get your name.
Fucked another girl,
Oh.
and that's what I heard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And
And she has screenshots. I could probably find them right
Okay.
now of like him adding other girls on like Snapchat and like unadding them. See, like when they argue, I'm like nosy. I'm like, okay, what are they arguing about? He's like, about what they like.
Okay.
They have a point to argue and stuff like that.
Okay. So, any other times he's hit her?
No, I don't think so.
I heard
They do. Well, this might be don't add, but they have a gun.
Mhm.
I don't think they would use it. Like,
Okay.
I think they only use it to protect themselves.
Yeah, yeah.
So like if they're like go on a road trip, you know, you want to bring it just in case
Yeah.
someone's a little ghetto, a little
Yeah.
bit. So I don't know where it is. It could be in their room or
Okay.
in someone's car.
Okay.
I don't know where they could put it.
Okay.
Okay. So so right here when you walk in, it could be in this drawer.
Mhm.
Right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
But going on the physical stuff that happened today,
Mm-hmm.
he slapped her. She said, "Slap me, I dare you," whatever.
Yeah.
And then you heard a noise that sounded like a slap
And like some glass breaking.
and some glass breaking.
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. Thank you. You guys okay? Okay.
The footage is later examined through a legal and tactical lens. The analysis identifies 5 key legal doctrines that shape the incident, each corresponding to specific moments in the body cam video. The first is the threshold doctrine, which applies during the initial minute of contact. Under Payton versus New York, 1980, the entrance to a home is treated as a protected constitutional boundary. Officers generally cannot cross that threshold to make a warrantless arrest unless there is consent, exigent circumstances, or hot pursuit. A person standing inside the doorway retains full Fourth Amendment protection against being seized without a warrant. Simply refusing to step outside is not, by itself, a criminal offense under established federal precedent. The second issue concerns investigative detention authority, which begins once lawful contact occurs outside the home under Terry v. Ohio, 1968. A confirmed 911 report of alleged domestic violence can provide reasonable suspicion, allowing officers to briefly detain individuals and separate involved parties for investigation. However, Terry authority allows only limited control for safety and inquiry. It does not permit forcing compliance through physical takedowns when a subject is only verbally non-compliant. 𝐬𝐈𝐒 versus 6th Judicial District Court 2004 further clarifies that refusal to cooperate verbally alone does not automatically establish probable cause for arrest. The third issue involves use of force proportionality under Graham versus Connor, 1989. This standard evaluates reasonableness based on 3 factors: the seriousness of the alleged offense, the immediate threat posed, and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to flee. In this situation, while the reported offense was serious, the perceived threat appeared low and resistance was limited to passive behavior, such as pulling away. Within 8th Circuit precedent applicable in Arkansas, passive resistance typically justifies control techniques rather than forceful takedowns. As a result, the level of force used is argued to be at the upper boundary of what Graham permits.
Oh yeah.
That's exactly
Did he slap you today?
No,
Okay, because your daughters are saying he did.
no. He got angry and threw a vacuum, but he did never put his hands on me.
Okay. Okay, yeah. I'm asking what he did to her.
Okay.
So daughters are telling me that she said, fucking slap me. And then they heard a slap.
Okay.
And the caller, who is her ex-husband, says that she was slapped.
Okay.
So she's denying that he was slapped, but he did throw a vacuum and do some other stuff. And they heard some glass breaking as well. So.
But she's saying he didn't slap her.
She's saying, yeah, she did not slap.
She did not slap her.
No, I'm sorry, he did not slap her.
He threw a vacuum cleaner out.
Threw a vacuum cleaner and broke some glass.
What is it?
She just told me he threw a vacuum, and then they heard broken glass. So.
Okay, she's the one fighting?
She's the one that fights. So I opened the door and she's like, "You're harassing me." I'm like, "I've never talked to you a day in my life, but okay." And then we said, "Step out over here," and she wouldn't initially come out. That's when he got on scene. We got her to step to the, out away from him because he was coming up, so we could kind of separate them. And then she's like, "No," and then he was like, "Ma'am," and then she locked up. Wanted to
Just resist. Passively?
Yeah, up until then she legged against the wall and then was kind of pushing him away. And then, so I got one arm and I drug her out further away from the wall. I threw a cuff on her and then rolled her over. And eventually when I screamed at her, "You put your hands behind your fucking back." She's like, okay. And then cuffed her and then that was it.
She has a possible warrant out of vehicle.
Do what now?
She does, yeah.
She has a what?
Warrant out of vehicle. There's something to do.
Okay.
They're confirming?
So.
Have you spoke to him yet?
Yeah, he's like, "Yeah, there's nothing happening here." He's like, "We were arguing, but that's it." And, that's his story there. I haven't really in detail talked. I was mostly worried about him jumping in. And then, so.
Okay. You got a name date for him yet?
I haven't got anything from him. So. But.
I guess we'll see, talk to Jack and see what his side.
Okay.
David Wolf,
WOLF.
at 51587. Here we are.
Okay. No. Okay. No,
Because we literally moved here to get them in a better school.
Okay.
So we were in Fayetteville.
Okay.
But I know small towns and I know small town bullshit.
Yeah.
I grew up in small towns.
Okay.
She did too.
Okay. Did you?
I can tell you, I work at Fayetteville.
It's a shithole.
Rules, criminal procedure are all the same everywhere in the state. And that investigation would have gone exactly this way there or anywhere else in Arkansas. Officer, or conduct an investigation. They tell you to walk somewhere, do something, stay here, stay there. You have to comply.
But when she stepped outside, there should have been no.
Was she refusing to come out at one point?
She said she wasn't going to come out,
Yeah,
and she
she
stepped
did.
to here,
Yeah.
and then we said, come over here, because we were trying to separate you guys so we can get the story, right? And then she's like, no, and then Ryan
You can't say
went to
no.
guide her, and then that's when
You can't pull away. You can't interfere. You can't say no. Just it's so easy to walk over here to the back.
But yeah, we're just going to go around the corner. So. Okay. I'll be right back. Is he good? Is he good?
I don't have any fun.
Okay. So he says he broke the vacuum. He didn't break any glass. And she's accusing him of cheating. 811, go ahead. Okay. Alright. She didn't, like the whole thing, if you go back and watch it, she said, you're harassing me. And I'm like, I've never talked to you a day in my life. But what it was is Chase had her stop in that vehicle because of expired registration over at Max's Auto. He called for a second unit. I showed up. I never talked to her. And so it's because I guess the husband walked up on his traffic stop and then was like staring at him. So he just wanted to have another unit.
Okay.
And then he's like, well, then I see you everywhere. You are in Gentry.
Yeah.
And I don't sit static very
Gentry
often.
is this big.
Yeah, and I don't sit static very often, so, but okay. So,
So as far as criminal charges, I mean, obviously, if she's got a warrant that's confirmed, we're going to have charges. In the very least, we got resisting.
for him, it's his property break. I mean,
Yeah, no, but
maybe
it
third.
done in the middle of a fight. Was it an assault? Is it an assault?
Yeah,
Did he throw it to intimidate or scare her? Because, you know,
probably out of anger, but yeah.
yeah. Did he throw it towards her, or away from her? And did she do anything to assault him? You know,
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
In the very least, you got resisting.
Yeah.
So
Okay. I'll double check with him on some of those things, and then
if not, if it was just break the damn thing, and not like he didn't like throw it towards her
yeah.
to intimidate her or scare her or whatever.
Okay. All right. So, when you threw the vacuum, describe to me that whole situation. Like, how did you throw it? Like,
I didn't throw it. I just literally picked it up and
just slammed it on the ground?
Yep.
Just were you trying to scare her? Or were you just trying to get her to shut up, get her attention?
yeah, just get her to just go on.
Okay.
But nobody got hit. I didn't hit her.
Okay.
Nothing like that.
She didn't hit you, though? No. Okay.
None of us got touched.
Okay.
The fourth issue relates to Miranda timing during post-arrest questioning. Based on Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, Miranda warnings are required before custodial interrogation, not at the moment of arrest itself. Under Stansbury v. California, 1994, custody is determined by whether a reasonable person would feel free to leave. Any direct questioning in a setting that effectively constitutes custody before Miranda warnings are issued may become a target for suppression in court. The fifth issue concerns the legal basis for obstruction charges under Arkansas law, specifically Arkansas Code Annotated Section 554102, which makes it a crime to knowingly interfere with a public servant performing an official duty. A critical element of this charge is that the officer's underlying action must be lawful. If the legality of the order is challenged and fails, the obstruction charge may also fail.
Alright. So here's what we're doing. You're going to be currently placed under arrest for resisting and obstruction of the investigation. Okay?
I didn't mean to. I didn't know what was going on.
So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to read you your rights, and then we can talk, okay?
I didn't know what was going on. How can I didn't know.
Let me see. Okay.
No, I didn't know.
Alright, you have the...
I know my rights.
I still got to read them. You have the right to remain silent. You understand?
Can I get shoes?
Yeah, I'll get you some shoes. You have the right to remain silent. You understand those rights? Okay. I need you to say yes or no.
Just leave me alone.
Okay, then you'll take the charges.
Okay. I don't
You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand? You have the right to talk to privately. I'm sorry. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you are being questioned. Do you understand? If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Do you understand?
Can I talk to my kids?
Do you understand that one?
Yes.
Okay. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand your rights as they have been explained to you?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we're not going to let your kids come see you. And the reason being is because I'm not going to bring kids out here to watch their mom be handcuffed. That's just not how we're going to do things.
I promise I won't do anything. I swear.
We're not going to bring your kids out here to see you in handcuffs in the back of police cars.
The last they see,
but I will go.
see me is...
I know. I've already talked to them and explained to them, and they understand what happened, and they're not crying. They're not upset.
Okay, I just want to be...
They're fine. They're like, we know mom can't do that.
Yeah.
And I said, okay. I'm going to go get you some shoes. You have them. I'll ask your daughters where they're at. Is that cool?
You can ask David.
Okay.
I mean,
All right.
I have slides.
You can get you some slides? Okay.
I mean, I don't... That's what you can have in jail. I don't know.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll get them for you.
Can I have socks?
Socks?
I don't know if I can...
I don't know if you can have them in jail. I'll just get the slides. That way you don't have a lot of stuff to lose. Okay?
Can I talk...
I'm sorry?
Can I talk to any of my family?
Not at this time. Okay?
I did send some keys. I don't know if you have like a bag or something you want to put them in.
Yeah,
I sent some keys on your laptop.
Okay.
So it could.
Huh?
So it could.
He wants to know if she wants their dad to come pick them up.
Okay. Oh, let me unlock you. Go ahead. All right.
You said I can make a phone call to jail, but I don't have anyone's numbers.
Okay. Whose number do you need?
I would like Justin's.
You want to slide out? Slide your feet out here and I'll just go on your foot.
I haven't eaten all day today.
Okay.
Either.
They'll feed you down there at the jail.
No.
Okay. Oh, what numbers do you need? You said Justin's? Yeah. Just Justin's? Okay. Get that one. She's requesting, who's Justin?
Their dad.
Okay. Can I get his, do you have his phone number?
He went in there to get the phone.
Okay. She just wants that, and I'm going to give it to her so she can make that call when she goes to jail for whatever, if she needs it. So.
Okay.
So I just want
to. I don't have the number.
The girls do?
The girls do.
Okay. No, that's why I'm not, so we're not built for comfort, but I want to make sure they don't lock up on you and get crazy tight on you, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm not taking them off, I'm just loosening them. Okay, so that's that one. It's a double lock on this one. There you go. Oh, you're good. They're good. Do you mind patting her down? All right, she's gonna pat you down. Make sure you don't have anything on you. She's screaming in my ear. Well, it was, but it was like it wasn't loud. Then
Take that left hand off.
I just looked over and I saw it. I was like, "Hey, all right, I'm gonna fix this cuff because it looks like it's a little janky." Okay. Is it this one? Which one? Okay. I'm gonna take this one off. Alright. Do not go any quick. Alright, so what's usually better is just to put your hands together like you're praying. And then we'll go like this. And then that way. Okay. Does that feel better? Ow! Sorry. I'm sorry. That wasn't. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, go ahead and have a seat back in the car. Is that gonna hurt?
Officer, I promise I won't. Can you put him in the front? I
can't put him in front. I'm not gonna put him in the front.
I don't know how I'm gonna be able to sit down without falling.
Okay, I can help you in. If you want to sit down, like sit straight back, there you go. Okay, there you go. Is that better? Okay.
I'm not trying to make a scene. I'm just trying to.
No, I understand. There you go. Hey, he's gonna be a homeless. That's gonna be a homeless guy out of Decatur. I've already ran him, unless he's got new warrants. She wants to leave these here. All right.
Who's transporting her?
I am.
I'd rather not.
But,
I'd rather a female transporter.
okay. Well. So he's like, he doesn't want me to transport her. He wants a female to transport her. But
He doesn't.
yeah, I just wanted you to be aware. Everything's on.
The analysis concludes with 3 takeaways directed at different groups. For officers, verbal refusal alone does not equal physical resistance, and additional time spent de-escalating before making contact can reduce legal exposure. Courts in the 8th Circuit have repeatedly emphasized this distinction in qualified immunity cases, and training that reflects it tends to reduce litigation outcomes against agencies. For civilians, asserting rights at a doorway is lawful, but once officers have legal authority to direct movement under Terry, physically pulling away can escalate the situation from detention to arrest and potentially add new charges. For departments, assigning officers who have prior involvement with a subject to lead physical engagement can create an appearance of bias or entanglement, increasing legal vulnerability. Rotating personnel can help reduce that risk without operational cost. The doorway remains a legally significant boundary, and the limits of police authority at that threshold have been shaped by decades of court decisions. While the legal questions raised in this case are complex, they remain important for understanding the balance between enforcement and constitutional rights.